Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. So I have a Dollar Tree haul to share with you, and I hope you enjoy the video. So let me just get into it. I went to 2 of my Dollar Trees today because I was on the hunt. I was on the hunt for these things. So I'm not going to show you exactly what it is right away, but I'll show you what I did get. So at the second Dollar Tree, because this was the smaller of the 2 hauls, I got a, they call this a spa comb. And when I get headaches, I like to rub my head. And you see how these little massage balls are? I think it'll feel okay with me. I mean, it probably help with my headaches. But yeah, I'm gonna give this a try. It's actually for, yeah, it says massage scalp without messing up your hair. Raises and separates your hair after removing braids and rollers. Can be used on wet or dry hair with no snagging or tugging. So that's it's a good one. Let me give that a try. My son was with me, my 9-year-old, so he wanted some markers, and of course, for $1, 10 markers. Summertime. He loves to draw. He's a little artist. So I said, why not? So I got him that pack of 10. I picked up a Whack-A-Pack set, and I think there's 4. Is there 4? Yep, there's 4 in there. So that's always fun, sticking to Happy Mail. I didn't have it on hand when I sent out my last Happy Mail, but I also found the Wonder Woman book of stickers. There's 4 different styles of stickers. So here's the puffy stickers. You can see that right there. I love Wonder Woman. And so this is just the glitter treated ones. You can't really see it in this light, but yeah, I think I want to make some Wonder Woman embellishments. This one has foil. I don't know why they say foil, but the foil is the edging, the background. It's not usually the photo or the image itself. So got that one, and then you have just the glossy stickers, like just regular stickers. But I love the print. Like, look at that, Wonder Woman. That's so cool. She's awesome. So got a pack of stickers. I did find the Crown Jewels notebook, and this is just the sketch pad. So I want to see this because it looks pretty sturdy. It doesn't look so like flimsy. Oh yeah. Oh, the glitter. No glitter fallout. Pretty cool. My spirit animal is a unicorn. Yeah. Oh, nice. It's good quality paper. It's pretty like printer paper, I want to say. So yeah, I got that. Not like any of us crafters need any more notebooks, but that's what I got. And then this one, I found some fun yarn. This is by Red Heart, and this is the Boutique Sashi Sequins. And look at this thing. It's almost like fishnet. Look at that. It's so pretty. And they have a little bit of the sequins in the edging. I love it. It'll be fun to have some projects done with that. So I got 2 of the green. Actually, this was the last of the yarns that they had at the Dollar Tree. So these little bundles are, how many? It says 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, so 20 yards, 18 millimeters, or 18 meters. Sashi sequin. So we'll see. We'll see what we can do with these. And once I get a project going, I'll do a little share with you all. So the other thing was, at the first Dollar Tree, I found the lemon plates. Let me move these out of the way. Give that to my son. I got these. The first Dollar Tree only had 5 of the saucers left, and I wanted 6. So that was the reason I went to the second Dollar Tree. So they only had 5, and I had to go and find the last one. So I got a whole 6 plates. So let me just. Sorry guys. They gave me a box this time because ta-da! Look at that. When I saw the display, they had the coffee mugs and they had the wine goblets, the wine glasses or whatever. But I thought the coffee mugs were a little too small, so it was pointless to get it because I won't use them. I like big coffee mugs because I drink a lot of coffee, so I don't like to remake my coffee. And the other good thing about these are they are dishwasher and microwave safe, so you don't really find a lot of the Dollar Tree dishes that are dishwasher microwave safe. So I jumped on it, especially because the lemons are very popular and a lot of people are looking for them. So I got that. The second Dollar Tree that I went to, they had the placemats. So I grabbed 6 of the placemats, and this lady, she just, cashier, she just took them and threw them in the bag, like really sloppy, really sloppy. So, and there's my plate number 6 that I found. So now I have 6 regular plates and 6 saucers. The other thing was I picked up the tea towels. I picked 2 of these up. Here we go. I got 2 of these tea towels. They're lemonade mix tea towels. 1 cup water, 2 juice of lemons, or juice of 2 lemons, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 5 ice cubes. It's cute, but nobody really is gonna follow that recipe. So I'm gonna use these on my table and set them up. I'm actually gonna get rid of some of my dishes that I have before we move. And of course my son had to have a toy. So he, like I said, he was with me, so I got him a water gun and a dinosaur hat. Apparently he had to have the dinosaur hat. A few things that I got that were new to me. I never saw them carry the gray streamers. At least I never saw them, but I found gray and I thought that would be super cute for my rosettes. I also picked up the chalkboard wood stakes. I got 2 sets of those. I got 8 total. And these are new to me also. These are the sticker florals. I only picked up 2 packs. I should have got more, but you know, 2 is enough. I'm about to move, so I was really trying my hardest not to go to Dollar Tree, but you know, when you've been away for a while, you just get that urge. The last 2 things that I picked up at Dollar Tree were these desktop garden flags. These are a repeat purchase because I picked up 3 2 months ago or a month ago, and I used those as part of my birthday package that I sent out. So I picked up 2 for me. I really love this one. This is This Girl Can and Mermaid Vibes. And so the cute thing about it is it comes with the foam mount and a little garden stake, and you put this onto the foam and you just set it on your desk. So I got 2 of the, 1 of each. Actually the last thing I got were a bunch of the Father's Day cards. So my husband is African American, he's black, so I picked up the mahogany Yep, Hallmark mahogany. And I thought these were really beautiful. I picked up a few. I don't want to read them, but I do want to show you what they look like, and they're very nice quality. This one's Expressions by Hallmark, and this one was very cute. This is about lawnmowers. My husband loves cutting the yard, so I thought that would suit him real nice. This is another one, another mahogany, or actually no, Joyfully Yours Dayspring Company. Not a Hallmark card, but very cute. So I picked up several for my husband and for my father-in-laws and my own father. So that is it, guys. A quick little haul. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and share the video. It just helps me grow my channel. And leave a comment down below. What was your favorite item? Because this was new to me, and the flowers were new to me, and especially the dishes. So see you on the next video, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.